Good morning, ma'am.
Happy morning. Happy morning, Ardhyaja. Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Who is sharing the screen? Raghav.
Raghav.
Okay. Good morning to all. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Okay, join your hands. We will do a school prayer. Join your hands. Dear God, we open the doors wide of our school and invite you in. Please be in our lessons and help us to concentrate and learn. Fill us with happiness as we discover more about the world. Guide our creativity to express ourselves in art, music, and movement. Help us to share, care for, and love one another. Watch over us and protect us as we run and play outside. Please come and be a part of everything we do today. Thank you. Close your eyes.
Sir, ma'am, can you go to
Okay.
school prayer?
Om तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palm. Place it on your eyes and gently open your eyes.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Always have to start.
Happy morning, ma'am. 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 Ma'am,
Okay, so tomorrow
happy morning, ma'am.
will start, right?
What,
From
ma'am?
tomorrow, your tier 2 exam will start. So today is the last day for revision.
Deepika madam.
Hi.
Yes.
Good morning. என்னடா எத்தனை சும்முற
Okay. So now, so did you all get yesterday's worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
You all got, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So open
Yes,
your notebook
ma'am.
now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You want a maths book?
Yes. I have given some homework also, no? In that three sums homework I have given. Have you done that? In the worksheet.
Ma'am, maths. Ma'am, I not do. Ma'am, I was done. Ma'am, my printer is not working.
You have to do it in the notebook, dear.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, till 17th we have done in the class and 18, 19 and 20 was your homework. Have you done this? 12 plus 15 plus 9. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Akka.
Yes.
I done my homework.
Done. Okay. So now, yes, Rudrani, you can tell me the answer.
Tell me the answer.
Yes, dear. Tell me the steps also.
We want to write in
Ravi, mute your audio, Ravi. In the notebook. In the notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rudrani, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
9 plus 5.
Ma'am, 9 plus 5.
Excuse me, ma'am.
6.
Ma'am, yellow book.
I
missed
question number 17.
Yes, Rudrani, continue. Tell me, Rudrani, little loudly.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
First step क्या है?
Ma'am, first step is 5 times.
हाँ. अभी लाइन में नहीं है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shivansh, mute your audio.
Ma'am,
टीचर ने
I missed question number 17.
2 plus 5 plus 9.
मैम स्क्रीन स्क्रॉल अप कीजिए मैम.
4 here, 1 here.
Answer is 16.
Ma'am, answer is 166.
मैम आप ऊपर लीजिए ना
Answer
स्क्रीन.
is 1.
Six.
How much? 16.
16.
Yeah, yes. Rudrani, which number I have to write here?
6.
In the ones place? 6.
जोड़ा नहीं बोल थोड़ी.
6.
And have to carry
1. Carry over 1.
1. Very good. Very good. हाँ.
मैम ऊपर लीजिए ना स्क्रीन मैम.
1 plus
Yes, Rudrani, next.
1
मैम
plus
मैं जॉइन हुई हूँ आरोही जगताप.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am, 1 plus 1 equals to 3.
1 plus
1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3.
carry over.
Yeah. So what is the answer?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you explain
30?
again? मैं थोड़ी सी confused हो गई हूँ.
किस चीज में
हाँ,
कंफ्यूज हो
tell
गया?
me, tell me.
मैम मैं इसमें थोड़ी सी confused हो गई थी.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. Can you explain
You want to say again, Rudrani?
No, ma'am. Can you explain again this question? 118
Yes,
question.
yes. Okay. So question is 12 plus 15 plus 9, right? So
Right.
first we have to write tens and ones. We have to write 12, 1, 10 and 2 ones. Yes? And 15, 1, 10 and 5 ones.
18th question.
And 9. 9 is a one digit number. Everyone gone? Am I explaining something here?
मैम ये लिखना है क्या?
This was your homework, students. I have sent you worksheet yesterday. This was your homework.
Ma'am.
And now here 9. We have three numbers here. 12 plus 15 plus 9. Okay, 12 is a two-digit number.
Yes, ma'am.
15 is a two-digit number. So we have to write tens and ones. And 9 is a one-digit number. So it will be in the ones place, right?
Right.
Because we don't have. Now what is the first step? We have to add. We have to start adding from ones place. Okay. So now first we will add 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. 5 plus 2. 2 plus 5. 5 in a mind, 2 in a hand. After 5, 6, 7. Okay. I got here these two 7. Now again 7 plus 9.
9.
7 plus 9. 7 in a mind, 9 in a hand. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I got here ones place answer is 16. Okay. So
Okay,
now
ma'am.
we have here 16 is a two-digit number. We can't write two-digit number here, right? So 6 is in one place, right? In one place we have 6. Ravi, can you mute your audio?
Yes, ma'am.
So 6 is in one place. So we have to write 6. Which in the 16, in ones place we have 6. So we have to write that 6 in the ones place. And in the tens place we have 1. 110. So we have to carry that 1 to the tens place. Okay. So now we have to add all this. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the last answer is 36.
Sir.
Last answer is 36.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Understood?
Understood, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So I hope you all understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Three numbers addition. So there is one more question. 45 plus 20 plus 18. I have already written vertically. So now okay, Tanishka. Yes, Tanishka. So first step.
ma'am.
Yes, dear. First step.
8 is equal to 3.
8 plus 5.
8 plus 5, 3.
3 येतं का?
Is it 3?
8 in a mind.
8
5
in
plus 8
a
is?
9.
Huh.
9,
Huh.
10, 11, 12,
Hmm.
13.
13,
Three-
right?
three
Okay.
at-
So which number I have
three
tried in the
at-
ones place?
At one's place.
Huh.
At one's place.
And 1.
3 in
And
one's
one.
place.
1 for
Carry over.
Huh.
1 carry over.
1 carry over to the ones place. Yes.
Now add 1
Yes,
plus.
dear. Next step.
1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 8.
Yes. Is equal to 8. Yes. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So what is the last answer, Tanishka?
83.
83. Very good. Answer is 83. 83. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, dear. So 18 and 19 was your homework. So those who are not done, you can write it now. You can do it now.
मैम आई डन मैंने क्लास वर्क में ही किया है इसके ऊपर जल्दी कर मैम मैं होमवर्क अभी करूँ
लीना जेवढं होतं तेवढं
मैम मैम बस ये 2 ही क्वेश्चन है क्या?
No, there is.
Okay.
Okay. So now we'll go to question number 20. Bye. Eh. So we'll go to question number 20 now.
मैम ये हमें लिखना भी है क्या?
मैम आई एम 19 क्वेश्चन डन
मैम मैम
Okay, so we'll go to question number
Ma'am,
20. Yes.
हमें ये लिखना है क्या?
Then
नंबर 80 and 19.
everything you have to write it.
Okay.
And I'll send you this also. Okay. So now question number 20. Choose the correct option. No need to write this. No need to write this. I'll send you worksheet. Okay. This question. So choose the correct option. There are 58 birds on a tree. 18 more birds joined them. How many birds are there on the tree now? Sanchita, read the question dear. Question number 20.
मॅक्सिमाइज करत राहू.
choose the correct option. There are 58 birds on a tree. 18 more birds join them. How many birds are there on the tree now?
So what we have to do here, Sanchita? 15 birds were there on a tree. 18 more birds joined them.
18 लिखो.
So now total how many birds are there? We have to count.
Right. 8.
We have to count totally how many birds are there on the
8
tree
in your
now.
mind, 8 in your hand. बोलो.
Okay, so what we have to do?
8 के बाद 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and
We
16.
have to count all of them. We can. Yes. Wait.
बोलो madam,
Sanchita, 1
16.
second. I'll write it.
Max 16.
16. Okay, so 8 plus 8 is 16. So I have to write here
6.
in the ones place.
6. बोलो 6.
6.
Madam asking you, beta. 6 at one place.
In one place we have to write
And 1 then carry over.
and 1 carry over. Okay, so now add everything. 5 plus 1 plus 1.
5.
Find your mind and find your hand.
1 in your hand.
1 in your mind and 5 in your hand. 1 के बाद 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 in your mind.
6 in your mind
Again
and
6 plus 1.
7.
7.
Answer is
7.
76.
Answer is 76. Now 76 is there in which option? Option A 66, option B
Option B,
76,
ma'am.
option C 75, option D 65. So which is the correct option?
Option B.
Option B is the correct option. So whenever you are having MCQ or the multiple choice question, you have to do
Yes.
for a maths, you have to do a rough work and then you have to write the answer. Okay, you have to do like this. You have to add and check. For objective type questions, for your examination, you are having only objective type questions. But you have to do for everything, you have to do the method in the rough book.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Now I can tell.
Wait. So now again this one you can take down. You have to do it now. You have to solve this.
मुझे
No need to write this, Raghav. 20th question. You can write 21 for question number 21. Question number 21, take down. All of you. Write down question number 21. "45 plus 24 plus 16.
Madam, should I tell you? Madam, should I tell you?
Have you written, Kanad?
Yeah, ma'am.
He has solved also.
Yeah, sure. Ma'am, I solved offer.
Okay, you solved.
कोणी केलं? Line.
Okay. So Kanad, Kanad, what is the first step?
जायचे का विचार?
मोठी घेऊन जायची.
Kanad, what is the first step?
First step 5 plus 9. 4 is 9.
I'm scroll up. 9.
9 plus 6. 9 plus 6.
9 plus 6 is 15, ma'am.
जो
5 plus 4. Wait. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So which one I have to write, Kanad, in the ones place? Which number I have to write in the ones place? 5. And
5. Carry
carry
forward 1.
1. Okay.
4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1, 8.
8. Very good. So what is the answer?
85, ma'am.
85. Answer
Five.
is 85.
Thank you, ma'am.
आता इथे क्लास चालू आहे मला आता नका तुम्ही डिस्टर्ब करत नाही केलं का सांगितलं
For the exam, question will be like this only. Three numbers also addition will be there. 2 numbers addition also will be there. There will be 4 options. Okay. Like this, 4 options will be there. You have to add and check which is the correct option. Which is the correct answer. That option you have to write.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Sanchita is speaking.
Yes.
Mm, may I drink some water?
Yeah.
Thank
So
you, ma'am.
done. Question number 21. Everyone.
30 plus 40.
Shall we go to question number 23?
Speaking.
Huh?
Sanchita speaking.
Yes.
0 plus 0 to 0. We have to do addition in the paper and option
Which paper?
math paper.
You have taken down the print of this worksheet print you have?
Yeah,
Hello?
we have done that. We have done
Yeah,
Excuse
that.
no
me, ma'am.
problem. Then you can do in that only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
She wants to ask, they have to show addition in the maths paper tomorrow or only option?
Mama.
So only option they have to write, ma'am. They can do it in the rough book.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
In the MI maths book, they have to write only the option, correct option. Okay.
सारखं झोपतो कशाला मला कळत नाही तुझं
So now we'll go to question number 23. Add tens to tens. 30 plus 40 or 3 tens plus 4 tens. Quick answers I want. Yes. Arnav? Yes.
Ma'am, this is Sanchita is speaking.
Yes, Sanchita.
The question number is 21. Then question number is how is 23? That will become 22, ma'am. 22.
Yeah, this is 22. Yes, yes. 22. Okay, here it is 22.
And then
And
will be
23. Okay. Okay. So now 22. Thank you, Sanchita.
You're most welcome, ma'am.
Yes. So now 30 plus 40. Yes, I know. 30 plus 40 or 3 tens plus 4 tens. 3 tens plus 4 tens.
70, ma'am.
Huh. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer, Samaira? Yes or no? Tell me what is the answer.
Mm, 70.
70. Answer is 70. Yes. 3 tens plus 4 tens. 3 plus 4 is 7 tens. 7 tens is 70. Very good or no?
Ma'am,
Yes.
worksheet.
Yes.
We will write this worksheet.
Yeah. If you have taken down the print of this, you can write in that only. But I'm sending this one. I'm sending this again. Okay. No problem. You just can write in the rough book.
I want print this paper.
You can print this. Okay. I'll send you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Now
So,
I
Aprinil, 20 plus 50. 2 tens plus 5 tens.
17.
Yes, Aprinil?
70.
70 again. 2 tens plus 5 tens is again 7 tens. That is 70. 70. So next. Yes, Nirvan. 30 plus 30 or 3 tens plus 3 tens.
60.
Huh?
60.
Yes, Nirvan. 60. 6 tens is 60. Very good. Very good. It is 60. So next. Shravya.
Yes.
Shravya, 4 tens plus 1 10. 40 plus 10. 4 tens plus 1 10.
1,
Shravya.
4, 5.
5 tens is equal to
Ma'am, this worksheet. Ma'am, this worksheet.
yes, Raghav. Yes.
I am doing. Now.
Yes, dear. Yeah. You can do in that.
आप मुझे सिखा दो।
Yes, Shravya.
50.
50. 5 tens is 50. Very good.
जी क्या हुआ?
50.
लग गया होगा।
अभी वहाँ पर टीचर सिखा रही है ना, ध्यान से पढ़ाई करो आप।
जी
Now, count the beats and write the number. Which number is shown in the abacus? Yes, Ishan. Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Count the beats and tell me the number.
1, 2, 3.
What is the number? In tens place, how many beats are there?
30 1
In tens place, how many beats are there?
21.
Huh? Tens place, how many beats are there? Yes. Tens place, there are 2 beats, 20. And in ones place, there is only one bit. So which is the number?
21.
21. Number is 21.
Wait, ma'am.
Number shown in the abacus
Ma'am,
is
in,
21. No
23.
need. Don't write this. Don't write this. Don't write this, okay? Only addition sum you write. 21.
नहीं लिखना है ये क्वेश्चन.
Don't write, don't write, don't write. I'll send you this. Only addition sum you do. $21. Krishna, Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Krishna. Count. Write the number is
And 36.
three. Have three. That is this, and we don't have any beats in the ones place. In tens place we have 3, and in ones place we don't have anything, 0. So number is 30.
చెప్తాను ఇలా
Next question. 38, 29. 39. This one you write. Yes.
Ma'am, please school.
3 and 24 don't write.
No, ma'am. I'm writing 2 questions.
Question number 20. Oh. Okay, so every
One
29 there. Yeah, down.
Excuse me, ma'am. Now next time.
Tell me this one, Aradhya. 38 plus 29.
8 plus 9 equals 17.
17.
We write the 7 in one place. And
Yes.
carry over the 10 in 10. And 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus
67 is the answer. 67. Very good, Aradhya. Very good.
Ma'am, I done. I leave. Excuse me, ma'am.
What? Who is that? Yes, Shravya. Rishi?
Madam, there should be
Yeah.
8. 9 plus 8 is 17, ma'am.
Yes.
9 plus 8 is 17, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 17.
Ah. 18, madam.
9 plus 8 is 17, ma'am.
हाँ बरोबर 7 कर.
Okay. 22.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ravya.
Now is 5 minutes. No, there are 2 minutes.
So here it is 22. Question number 22.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll send this worksheet.
Yes.
So from tomorrow, so do well. Okay. Do well in the exam.
Bye, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
See, exactly. Can you repeat 25 questions? Excuse
25
me, ma'am.
what? 38 plus
Excuse
29.
me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
कल कौन सी एग्जाम होगी?
You did not get the timetable?
No, ma'am.
You did not check it. You all got the timetable.
Ma'am.
Tomorrow is which exam? Tomorrow you are having English. Prepare well for the English exam. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Someone is. Bye.
Yeah, that. Yes. Okay. So we will end our class. We will end our class. All the best, students.
Bye,
Do
ma'am.
well for
Bye.
the exam. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
All the best.
Bye.